I need a very good electrician. My AC is giving me issues. How will I just be in the house and one room be? It will just be hot. Please, I need a very good one. No. Please let me find a good one now. Anyone that you can recommend for me.
Sorry, excuse me.
I'll call you back.
The AC repairer is at your doorstep. Yes.
So you're good at repairing ACs because my AC is so bad. I need a very good electrician to repair for me.
Don't worry. It's my tools now. They work with my tools. Anywhere they go with them.
I beg you, please do it very well for me. I don't want the one you come and do now and now come and spoil tomorrow. Okay.
Let's go.
So I will be able to recommend it to someone. No.
I go do it well. If I touch your AC, you know get story. If story come, story no go come my side. Recommendation is my hobby.
Oh, yeah,
when you recommend me, people go recommend me too.
This is the AC. Please check what's wrong with this. I don't even understand what's wrong with this AC. Please make sure you do it well. I don't want the one that you will do now tomorrow night to not come and spoil.
And not be those go and come back AC repairers.
Better. Please do it well so that you can recommend it to other people.
Exactly. Now my work. Give me 5 minutes. I trust my job. If you trust me, I trust my job.
To become a man is not the work. Everybody ambition is to become a leader, is to become a big man. That is his problem.
Hello? Where on a day? Una see the thief?
Yeah, I will soon beat someone's
You
child.
get one house wait there for this new estate. Mona come rob the house. Don't follow me argue. Fine boys, Mona come rob the house.
And you are proud.
I get 60%, Una will collect 40%.
Can you say that kind of thing from your mouth and tell somebody?
I did the work. Not follow me argue. This morning, I don't see the vision of this morning. Not follow me argue. From this morning now, I go build filling stations. Not follow me argue. 60, 40. Yes. Yes. Mona come first.
Holy Jesus!
May God not allow them to kill you.